Kia ora team, I'm just going to make you a quick video explaining what a docstring is and where and how you would use it in programming. Now we're learning Python, so I have got a Replit open with Python ready to go, and before I even start writing code for my project, I'm going to write an introductory docstring, and I'm going to, I'll explain what I'm doing as I do it. So I start with a hashtag, and the first thing I'm going to write is what it is that I'm creating. So I'm writing a secret, oops, better spell it right, word guessing game. The next piece of information I'm going to put down is who it's written by and what the date is. So written by ORG on 9 March 2021. The next piece of information, because I'm going to follow a YouTube tutorial, I am going to write just that and include the link. So following or followed, oops, followed YouTube tutorial by Mike Dane, that's his channel. And I am also going to put in the link because I've copied it. There it is. Someone else might find that useful. And the final thing I'm going to say, thanks Mike, I'm just going to spell it right. Yeah, cool. So now I'm going to start writing some code. First thing I'm going to write is a variable that's going to store my secret word. So I'll write the variable name and equals, oops, equals, and in there I am going to put the word lion. That's going to be my secret word. So above it I'm going to write another comment. This is what we call it, a comment. So hashtag variable to store secret word. And I know this might seem obvious, but it's really useful if someone comes to reviewing your program now or in a couple of years' time and they're looking at something and they want to alter it a wee bit, they can see what you were thinking when you were writing your program by the comments that you've added to your code. So it's a really useful thing to do. So from now on, whenever you create a Replit, I would like you to start with an introductory docstring, and then I would like you to add comments throughout your code. And what you can see, it's always started with a hashtag, and then the line of words that you've written, it becomes grey, and what that means is that the interpreter is not picking up those words to evaluate them and run them as part of the program. Alright, go to it.